Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing my Ipsy versus Sephora play video. This is one of my favorite videos to do every single month. It's definitely one of my longest running series on my channel. I don't do a whole lot of series, but this one is one I've done for since Sephora Play came out. So yes, I'm really excited to see what we got for the month of July. If you guys are new to this service, it is $10 a month and you typically get 5 sample size products from each of these brands. Ipsy has amazing brands. Of course, as you know, Sephora has some great brands too. And I don't know, I feel like we get pretty good stuff in here. It's kind of fun to be able to try out the samples before you buy the full-size product. I'll have links down below to each of these services if you want to check them out, but I kind of like to do a little battle between them and see which one is better for the month. So let's get started. I'll do my Ipsy bag first. So the theme for July is Dive In. Summer is in full swing. Let's soak it up with dewy skin. Beach Babe Waves. Wow. Beach Babe. This is a tongue twister, you guys. Beach Babe Waves and shimmering budge-proof makeup looks, guaranteed to keep those chill poolside vibes going all month long. So I love the sound of that. And the bag this month is super cute. We have a little tropical themed bag with the palm leaves and the bright neon peach color. So fun. I love this style bag because it doesn't get dirty, it easily wipes off, so it makes it really easy to travel with these. And I pretty much bring my Ipsy bags with me on all my trips and organize all my stuff with them, so I love them. So the first thing was actually sticking out of the bag. We got a brush here from FIRMA Beauty. I've actually tried a couple of their brushes from Ipsy bags and I do really like them. So this one is the number 204 brush, and this is something I would use to kind of sweep color all over the lid, either a cream shade to set my primer or an all over color. So I do like this and I really like this brand. These are skillfully handcrafted by Japanese artisans, so they're supposed to be good quality. I feel like Japanese brushes are always the best. So that is the first product. Getting a full-size brush is pretty awesome. The next one we got here, this is from the brand BRTC, and this is the Vitalizer Sleeping Mask in the Pore Tightening Sleeping Mask set. So we got these little, I guess you'd call them foil packets. It's probably 1 or 2 times use. It's kind of hard to reseal it since it doesn't have a jar, but yeah, we got 2 different little masks here by the brand BRTC. I've never heard of them before. The description says the Vitalizer mask is going to be good for moisturizing, refreshing, and boosting radiance to the skin, and the pore tightening mask is going to refine pores, brighten, and even out skin texture. So not super enthused about that since it's such a small size. Next up we got something from Benefit. I actually needed a new one of these, so this is amazing. I've been using this every day. It's the Benefit Roller Lash Super Curling and Lifting Mascara. This is one of my all-time favorites. I feel like it does such a good job for lengthening the lashes as well as keeping a curl. And it has a nice thin brush. It never gets clumpy. It is one of my all-time favorites and it's been my favorite for years now. So I love this and I'm happy to get a little travel size one. Next up in here we have from CIATE London. So I forgot to mention this, but Ipsy now lets you pick a product to be in your boxes. So you get to pick one product out of a good selection, which is so fun because at least you know one thing you're going to be getting that you can be excited about and something that you know you want. So I chose this month. It's the Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer from CIATE. And this is a fairly new product. I'm really into this whole watermelon trend. Watermelon is one of my favorite scents, fruit-wise, I guess. And I feel like a lot of brands are hopping on the watermelon product game. So I'm so excited to try this. It looks like there's fun little beads in here, if you guys can see. It looks really cool. So very excited about this and excited that Ipsy is now letting us choose products. It's actually fun because today I actually got to choose my products for next month. So the Glam Bag Plus let me choose a full-size product and then I chose a product for my Ipsy bag as well. So that should definitely be an incentive to sign up because you do get to pick one of your products. And then lastly we got, this is a little eyeshadow from the BALM. It says What's the Tea from their new palette. And it says Iced Tea Eyeshadow Mini, which is the shade Iced Tea. I think so. So this is Iced Tea. I was actually really intrigued by the BALM palette. I haven't tried a ton from their line, but I did see that they are now selling their products at Walgreens. So I might be able to get it more accessibly and use my Walgreens points to get some discounts. But this shade is absolutely beautiful. It's like a lavender purple with a gold glitter in it. It is absolutely stunning. So I definitely want to use this, although it's so hard for me to use single shadows. I feel like I always forget about them in my makeup drawers, but I'm going to try to make a game plan and use this product because that is stunning. So I think that's everything we got in our Ipsy for July. Love the bag. I think we got some really cool products. Like I said, I'm so excited I got to choose my products this month. I feel like the only dud was the sleeping mask, so everything else was really good. Now we will move on to the Sephora box. So we got a fun green one this month and it says Ready, Set, Play on it. What's nice with the Sephora Plays is that you get 50 points to use on Sephora if you guys collect points. I always try to save up my points to, I think it's 2,000 points now, where you can redeem a $100 gift card. So I definitely try to save those to stock up. Alright, so the theme for the Sephora bag is Desert Island Essentials. It says, let's say you can only take 6 beauty products to a desert island. What are they? If you're not sure, we have some suggestions. That's really cute. First thing we got, this is from Ren Clean Skincare. This is the Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic. So Ren's a really nice skincare brand that has natural ingredients. I've actually had this in the past and I didn't use it. I actually ended up decluttering because it just sat in my collection forever, but then I started hearing some really good things about it and I wanted to try it again because I'm really trying to kind of fade these acne scars I have, so I feel like this would be something good to use that for. Sorry, I had to shut my blinds because I hate when people are in my driveway, and my husband was talking to someone in the driveway and I feel like they can literally see me and I just feel weird about it. So it might be a little bit darker in here, but just bear with me. So like I was saying, I was kind of wanting to try this again, so this is really cool to get it in this smaller size. We also got here, this is from Living Proof. It's the Perfect Hair Day Triple Detox Shampoo. This is going to be really nice to try out. The description on this one says, when you want to keep your hair cleaner for longer, use this non-stripping shampoo that removes buildup from product, pollution, and hard water. So that sounds amazing. I've been looking for a nice like detoxing shampoo, so this will be awesome. I always use a ton of different hair products in my hair and it just gets so like dry and gross, so I'm so excited to use this. I might use it tomorrow because I think I'm going to wash my hair tomorrow, so we will test this out for sure. Next up, we got a product from Shiseido, and this is the Controlled Chaos Mascara, I believe. And it says, bold, precise, and in control, this mascara really has its life together. And the shade is Black Pulse. I don't think I've ever gotten a Shiseido product in a Sephora bag, so this is cool. I've never tried their makeup before. This is the wand on that, so that looks really nice. We also got, this is from Indie Lee. It is the Brightening Cleanser. I haven't really tried a ton from this line, so this should be fun to see how it works. It's supposed to be it says, it is a lifesaver for anyone who wants to wash away impurities and be rescued from dullness. So I think this will come in handy. Like I said, I'm trying to kind of brighten my skin a little bit, fade some acne scars, and just have overall a more clear complexion. And then last but not least, we have the most exciting thing to me. This is the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. I feel like everyone has been raving about this lately. I actually bought the little deluxe size at Sephora. I haven't really used it a ton, but I'm always happy to have more to test out since I did buy the smaller size. This says, keep your makeup looking and feeling good all day with this gripping primer made with hemp-derived cannabis seed extract. I did not know that this one had hemp in it, but I know a lot of their products do these days. I feel like everyone has been hyping this up lately. It is like the #1 primer I feel like that people talk about, so very exciting to get this in my Sephora bag. And I think that is everything I got for the summer Sephora. Oh wait, I got one more thing. This is a little sample. Sometimes they include extras like this. This is a sample of the Atelier cologne in Clementine, California. This is a very expensive perfume brand. It smells so good. It's like orange, but it has like this very fresh, delicious note to it. I really want to get a full size. I might get one during the Sephora sale. It's so good. The notes of this one are clementine, juniper berries, and then vetiver, I believe. So that is the little extra for the month, and that is going to complete this Ipsy vs Sephora play. So, oh my gosh, of course, we have to pick a winner for the month. I think I'm going to go ahead and go with Say Sephora is gonna win it for me by like this much. I would like to say it's a tie, but I don't like to do ties, so Sephora is the winner by a smidge, just because we have a good variety of products that I feel like I'm really excited to use and that would really work for my routine. And the only thing that Ipsy missed was including that sleeping mask. I wasn't a big fan of that. It's my opinion. It was a very hard decision, so let me know down below which one you would have picked as the winner, and of course let me know if you guys got anything exciting in your Ipsy or Sephora play bag as well. Make sure you're subscribed if you're not already to see these videos every month, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.